Hi all, welcome to our channel. Guys, this is regarding for so many people asking about this, how to using for Facebook Creator Studio. What is the benefit for Facebook Creator Studio? How to using for Instagram and Facebook purpose? Simple, I tell you that. If I'm selecting one website, iamfit.in. I'm selecting for Facebook and Instagram account. First of all, Facebook, you have to create the particular Facebook page option. Particular page option. In this page, you will be connecting for Instagram account using for settings. The option name is called Instagram will be connect your particular through Facebook page, not profile, not group, only for Facebook page connecting for Instagram account. Once is done, we have option name is called facebook.com/creator studio. In this creator studio, we have showing for two options, Facebook and Instagram, both, which is useful. You can use the both option. Here, first of all, Instagram login is must and should important. See this one. When you go to login option, is showing for Instagram account. Here will be check for the login option. If is already exist, they will say for your account is already added on your particular Instagram by using Facebook Create Studio option. So it here. If it is not done, your Facebook page connecting Instagram, Create a Studio account adding Instagram for the Create a Studio option, it is not possible. So what is the Create Studio purpose? At a time we can posting the photos or video, we'll be sharing for Instagram to Facebook also. At a time two options. When selecting poster, content, after adding the content, we are selecting this option and click for here. This is the purpose for sharing the content in Instagram and Facebook also. One more thing is called, I'm selecting Canva. First of all, Instagram post I'm design here. No need to worry. We have designed the particular option. So where is exactly video we have? Select the video. So it is uploading going on. Take some time. It will show you will be here also. Take some time. So this is a Instagram post size will be 1080 by 1080. You have to design the post will be compulsory, mandatory field. So here is uploading will be take some time, and same will be uploading will be here also will be take little bit time. Once is upload, when your file is upload will be done, at time we can do will be visible. If you add the content, so add the content purpose here small drawback. Instagram, what are the content you adding? The links will be not visible. The total Instagram depend on option name is called particular hashtags. So those options you can follow will be here. So video will be added here. Based on video length, it takes some time. So that is you have to wait for the particular thing here. We can go to the background and logo added. Background is not good. Changing the background option. Click for download. Download is failure, nothing but the video or the file is not uploaded properly. So there is take some time. So that is the purpose. Any download with the video, we have to take some time here. Once download the file, it will show will be in the browser option. So you have to wait for the particular seconds. So video making and uploading everything is important. So done by here. Now go to Creator Studio. Where is the file is download? We can go to the download folder. Select here in this. Select your Facebook page. In this Creator Studio, we have two options. One is called we can publish on time. We can schedule also. Same Instagram will be publish and schedule also. You can go to the schedule. Previous, we have option name is called 6 months. Now will be only option name is called here. We can go with option will be 10 minutes up to 75 days. 10 minutes up to 75 days. Here also we can go follow it. 10 minutes to up to 75 days. Premium will be 15 minutes. You can take some time. But easy will be showing for particular 10 minutes to 75 days. More than 75 days, we can't schedule post on Facebook and Instagram account. Please make a note. Anything you will be create any option. First of all, that will be useful. The content will be up to 75 days. We can schedule your particular post option. That is, you can keep it in mind. Post will be done by Instagram and Facebook. Without adding content, they can't possible post on your Facebook page and Instagram account. Click for publish. And now click for publish as is. This compulsory you have to mention. So you have to any changes, any add details, you can add. Or else you can go for publish as is. So this option we can go to this particular future. So the video uploading will be here done. It will check in your Instagram account. Maybe it is valid or not. Compulsory you will be check the verification. Video done. Next you can go to your Facebook page. Sometime Facebook page will be delay some minutes, like seconds compared to the Instagram. So here is the account. So here the option will be used here. Next is the video. And create a story not only for Instagram, Facebook purpose. Facebook create a post, add a story on your Instagram account. So your Facebook in this every option will be here. Select this particular feature and click this add your button, share your web link, view shop button is there, and web link button is there. Web link gonna see more, learn more, anything. You can click for here, copy the link, and paste by add your story. This will be sharing for where your particular option name is called Facebook story option, where it is visible by the your Facebook account. So what are the popularities? What are the things you will be adding by here? Is your account. When you click for see more, this button will be valid only for mobile users. Previous desktop will be there. Now we'll be only using for the mobile user purpose. So how many story we can add by using Creative Studio? There's a no limit. You can add the particular story. Add your text, add your story. What are the things you will be added? Add by the as usual in a particular option. So here is the button. See more, learn more, book now, call now option. You can add your WhatsApp chat button also by using for web WhatsApp link here. So those options we can add to stage and show your particular here. This story will be help only for more option will be in this mobile user purpose. If his web link is working only for mobile user purpose. So this option. Now it is done. So yeah. Next one, there is a one page we can uploading for multiple videos and one video uploading and post across the page. Nothing but one video we can upload for the multiple Facebook page purpose. So we have the 2-3 pages are there. In the 2-3 pages, how you can upload the video, that is option name is called post video across the pages. First select the primary page or the page here. Second will be another page here. So this option will be selected by the a particular option. So anything you are into multiple Facebook pages, upload the one video into the multiple pages. The option name is called use the create a studio option. If anything live conducted by the Facebook page or profile, anything, that is option will be here. Now will be so total will be page wise you create the live option. Create live video event, go live yourself with others. Go live now automatically within 24 hours. Here is the options. So what is the options you want? You can select here and plan for the live. So we can select any kind of events. In this event will be selected and anything will be here, select by here. So it will be go live option. Go live purpose, you can use the webcam, or else you can using for streaming software. Anything you wish, you can create the particular live streaming purpose. So anything option will be required, you can use this particular things. One is called camera one. It's called streaming software. This is the streaming key. Set the streaming key with the software option and use the Facebook live option. So this all option will be given by the Creator Studio One. So this is the particular option. So what are the live you can create anything? That option name is called Creator Studio. Is it clear? So this is the method we can using for Creator Studio option to the increase the views and postings and everything. The one and all option name is called Creator Studio. There's a simple step you can give within posting will be at a time Facebook, Instagram purpose. We use option name is called Facebook Creator Studio. If any particular doubts about the Facebook Creator Studio, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you.